So in the previous video, I made a video where I was explaining how you can get Indian documents, including Aadhaar card, PAN card. However, on the point of getting Aadhaar or Aadhaar card here, it has been a little bit challenge for some people to understand what documents and all you can give to the office so that you can get this Aadhaar card. And like I said, apart from visa and passport, they will be asking you like documents like address proof and identity proof. This is a must. They will ask you. They will definitely ask you. Identity proof, nothing but some document which like your identity card or even a passport can act as identity proof. Address proof, in this case, you can provide like the bank statement. Definitely that bank statement should be Indian bank, which you are using, like any Indian bank, because on those bank statements there will be mentioned your address where you are currently residing. And you might also provide like utility bill. Utility bills means, for example, like electricity bills, water bills, because if you are paying for these water bills and electricity bills, definitely there will be mentioned the address where you are currently residing or where you are staying. They might also ask you like for additional information. For example, if you came here in India as a student, they might ask you a letter from college. So basically those are like the main documents which you can provide. However, there are some also extra documents or extra things which they might ask you, like a different way also or different approach which they might ask you to do, depending on whoever is assisting you, right? And we have to also understand that it mainly depends on the state or which part of India you are currently residing. So just try your best, and I'm wishing you all the best for this. I hope you all can get all these documents so that your processes and whatever the requirements you need here in India will be at ease. Thank you so much.